flat tire. Even on my worst days, my verses still go knock, and I no need to walk in Steve Jobs shoes to leave a mark. I roll with
okay. A little Apple runs there. A little Apple reference there. Yo, what's good, what's poppin', beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka Power and Papi. Welcome back again to the channel. Today we're doing a reaction to a Cypher Riddim of Gods. This Cypher has two of honestly my favorite rappers right now from Ghana, Bryan The Mensah and Kofi Jamar. I've said they're my favorites because I listen to them more often than I do any other rapper from Ghana right now. If you do pay attention to my monthly playlist, I have featured these guys numerous times, but I haven't had the opportunity to react or review any of their work on the channel. So I thought today, let me knock two birds with one stone, man, and see how this goes with the Cypher, man, because I'm excited about these two guys, Bryan The Mensah and Kofi Jamar. Those are the two guys that I'm looking out for in this video, but I'm also trying to learn of more rappers, more acts to look out for in the Ghana scene, man. And without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into it. This is JMJ Riddim of Gods, New King's Tape 1 Cypher video. Let's go. Okay.
Hey, you know what? I'ma just say this one more time.
Hey, Bryan, let's go.
King of T never ever backing down, you feel me?
Yeah. Finessing my way out through the influence, my nigga, I been through it, so you know I been doing this shit since a youngin'. And niggas been clueless ever since I started. And haters been foolishly playing a part in my journey. I just keep one foot in front of the other. Somebody go.
I just love his I just love his confidence, man. Like, this guy is like, he has this demeanor about him that is like he does this in his sleep or something. Like, it's that easy for him, and he has this confidence that you want to see in a rapper, man, and I'm here for it. And the flow is sick so far.
And haters been foolishly playing a part in my journey. I just keep one foot in front of the other. Somebody go tell my mama her baby making the numbers. On the cover of magazines, and all these other rappers trying to stay undercover and undiscovered, cause they don't put no work in their brand, and they just waiting for somebody with some money come along and just hand them a platinum plaque on the platter so they could blow up some comments.
Come on, look at that flow. Shit, let's run that back.
Trying to stay undercover and undiscovered, cause they don't put no work in a brand, and they're just waiting for somebody with some money come along and just hand them a play.
He's spitting facts here. He's saying like all these rappers, they don't put work on their branding, like they're just waiting for someone to come and like lay them and give them all the wins and all the like attention. Like, he's basically telling every rapper to like step up their game, man, and get to work. You know?
On the cover of magazines, and all these other rappers trying to stay undercover and undiscovered, cause they don't put no work in a brand, and they're just waiting for somebody with some money come along and just hand them a platinum plaque on the platter so they could blow up some comments and come just right back to where they started. Isn't the karma, cause karma only gonna come around when you dumb or you dummy dumb. I make a plan of profit.
Nah, this flow is wicked. He's not giving us punchlines, but he's just making statements here that seem to be like, okay, he's definitely saying something. He's making a statement through his verses. I'm not getting the most clever of lines, but he's just like, he's giving you like, he's giving you a lesson here. He's saying like take notes, all these rappers. That's what he's saying.
Starting isn't the karma, cause karma only gonna come around when you dumb or you dummy dumb. I make a plan of profit way before all the money comes. You don't get the money, then you go buy some money guns, so shoot out fake dollar bills, so flex on the Grammy some.
Now Bryan is hungry, man. Yo, Kofi, let's go.
Yeah.
This guy is too versatile. It scares me. This guy is too versatile. We're about to get right into it though. Let's see what flow is coming here with.
About to set it off, this is legendary. Got on my Jesus speech, drinking the Bloody Mary. Okay. Never down on my knees, unless I pray for mercy. I came from the belly of the beast, so nothing you can tell me.
Jamar, let's go.
About to set it off, this is legendary. Got on my Jesus speech, drinking the Bloody Mary. Okay. Never down on my knees, unless I pray for mercy. I came from the belly of the beast, so nothing you can tell me. Looking at the mastermind, me Jimmy masters, but your masters know I'm mastermind. Tired of seeing the series, I'm off for dollar signs. Make all the girlies they do the wine like they drunk and I wine. Hey.
Make the girlies do the wine like the drunken wine.
See in the CDs, I'm off for dollar signs. Make all the girlies they do the wine like they drunk and I wine. Hey, you know my behavior is off the west like Kanye. I'm gonna cut them back, I'm gonna do it my way.
Hey.
I'm gonna them up like it's cake for my birthday. Make your wishes, then go get it with more hits than Drake.
Hey.
On my feet, I'm stepping up. I'm from the streets, I'm repping up. My flow is so forsaken, still I find a way to say it louder. Tell them they can stop us. Puffing on the power. I'm in claim against them. I'm son, I'm a sniffer gunpowder.
Yo, shout out to Boomplay, man. Shout out to Boomplay for setting this up for the scene. They've been doing a lot. Boomplay sponsored one of the sickest award shows I've ever seen out of any African stage, bro. Was it 3 Music? It was some music award show that I forget, but they had amazing scenes. And here we are seeing Boomplay again doing the same thing, platforming their artists. It's dope. It's dope to see a brand that is going so strong for the music scene, man, over there in Ghana.
Stop us, puffing on the power. I'm in claim against them. I'm son, I'm a sniffer gunpowder. That's why I never stop with taking the shots. Flow rich like I'm Roddy. I leave your stock in the boss ride.
Flow rich like I'm Roddy. Okay, I see that.
That's why I never stop with taking the shots. Flow rich like I'm Roddy. I leave your stock in the boss ride. Glad find me riding on the way for the sharks. I'm for my city, so let them know say we burn.
Okay, so who we getting introduced to today? Bomisa.
I don't rap sings, they rap sing, they sing rap, I'm the captain. And this shit became wrecked, so we reckless. We grab things and things clap, now they clap for us. Cause you put the city on the map. I be schooling all these niggas in my rap academy. I'm moving through the hate and all the pressure like Academy, remember me.
Hey, I'm moving to the A like Okada. I see all these Okada references, man. Let's go.
In my rap academy, I'm moving through the hate and all the pressure like Academy. Remember me, I'm out so far, it's like a penalty. While you're busy taking shots, I'm busy taking royalties. And blessed today, I'm fucking up the rhythm.
It says while you're taking shots and busy taking royalties. Hey! It's telling you you're heading from outside. You can't even get in.
It's like a pit of the gods, and I came to fuck it up alone. But shout outs to my dogs. I spark a J, then you best believe I go record, spit it out in chords. When you read raps, but this is up the top.
Okay, it's telling us his process. Okay, Spark a J. Okay, we hear that. We hear
Top it up for me. Like that.
Okay, melodies.
Baby, would you ride that?
Hey.
One night make I change your whole life.
Hey.
I am King Paluta.
King Paluta. Okay, let's go. I love his texture of his voice, man. Hey. Obviously, I'm just here feeding off of the flow and the energy in the performance. I don't understand a word of tree, man. So, bear with your boy. I definitely like the texture of his voice, man. It has that DMX energy to it, you know. I heard something Naija movie there.
On them, way more one bam. Oh yeah, y'all there have biting a rasta that sell. See now, I start to mind you be on your world. Set and more far more heaven, I'm in for hell. Problem you and to my day, here crowd.
Okay.
But find some quoting, Maja Hafa. Oh, man, a rapper, talk, or man, a wife. Visitors, Rascal Coop, no woman like that. Competitors say I'm a warrior, not a fighter. When play, I'm a boy, see, sound is him. May your line the net, I saw China, yes, him. Makona, Mamba, never call my name. Relationship today, FIFA, or big game. All the same, what the shame, guys, they pay.
Relationship today be FIFA or big game.
Keeny, ice.
Okay.
I still be undefeated, my style be undisputed, my content undiluted. You can't get me uprooted. Truly, you must be stupid.
You can't get me uprooted. Okay.
My style be undisputed, my content undiluted. You can't get me uprooted. Truly, you must be stupid in thinking I'll get excluded. My type is what is needed. My voice cannot be muted. Rap what you're quit and you quit execute it. But you just lose it for font. Don't excuse it.
Okay.
Okay,
switch up the flow, man.
Being a threat out here. I'm kicking ass out here. If
Yeah.
kings for your houses, but I rule out here. Blame me, but rap, I'm your tender or gun to it. I pull, I sure say hell go be empty, cause I bring all the fire. Me, buy and a punch, I love me, I put on me, I turn higher.
Okay. So it sure say hell gonna be empty because it's bringing all the fire. Ah, interesting.
And on the real, you don't wanna see me go haywire. I'm your me die. Like me, I don't want you flat tire. Even on my worst days, my vest still go knock, and I no need to walk in Steve Jobs shoes to leave a mark. I roll with
okay. A little Apple runs there. A little Apple reference there. Walk on Steve Jobs to leave a Mac. Okay. Got you.
On my worst days, my vest still go knock, and I no need to walk in Steve Jobs shoes to leave a mark. I roll with certified hyenas and I lead the pack. I hear you men say hip hop is dead, well I bring them back.
Okay. What's his name again? What's his name? He left an impression. Keeny Ice. I definitely like this.
Certified hyenas and I lead the pack. I hear you men say hip hop is dead, well I bring them back.
That was tough from Keeny Ice right there. Is that my man? That's Lyrical J in the back, isn't it? Mado. Okay, that was dope. That was interesting. A little less impressed with Kofi Jamar on this, I'm not gonna lie. I have my expectations really high for him because he's very versatile. Like, there's a million ways he can rap. He can rap in chill, he can rap on drill beats, he can give you singing melodies, can also give you that reggae tip as well. So he's super talented. So when it came to this kind of atmosphere, I wanted to see him like a hardcore rapper type. See, I want to see him in that light. This was gonna be the first instance to see him in that kind of light, you know. And to be honest, it wasn't all that impressive with his with what he was saying. Like, there were no shock values to it. But I'm still riding with his records. Maybe he's not a Cypher kind of artist, but I'm still riding with his records every day, all day. Bryan The Mensah definitely left a strong impression on this. Having a strong intro to open up the Cypher, I was definitely messing with it. But Keeny Ice, man, definitely hard. I never knew this rapper before this, but I'm riding with Keeny Ice. That was hard. The freaking the freaking Steve Jobs line, that was creative. That was okay, man. It was okay. It was doing something, but all rappers definitely came forward too, man. The flows are crazy. The flows were sick. Even though I'm not the best. My shoe is not the best. Like, it's very rough. Like, it's very, very rough. I wasn't picking up so many of the lines, but I definitely got the flow, got the intention, and yeah, you can definitely give more credit to them. Shout out to Boomplay again for riding really strong for the Ghanaian music scene. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, definitely don't leave without subscribing. Check out the rest of the other content I have, reactions, album reactions coming up. I just released the late call album review. The Black Bones one is already out too as well, so definitely go check those out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.